What's up? What's good, everyone? I'm here with my sister Hallie and my cousin Cy Guy over there.
Hi guys.
In this video, I will be face painting Bonnie, and in another video, I will be face painting Freddy over here. Links to all of the FNAF face paints will be in the description box below, as well as my face paint that I've done before, and Mangle coming soon.
Ooh.
All that good stuff. So you guys can check that in the description, and let's get started. And we're live.
Hi guys.
We're gonna do the white first. First time I face painted myself as Chica. I think I painted the white like last. That was not right. You can have your eyes open since I'm not doing your eyes right now. So now that we have the teeth done, your eyes are just gonna be your eyes, so we don't have to worry about that. We're gonna do the black last because it's harder to erase that one. It looks like yours now is like a light purple. New brush. A whole new brush.
Don't you dare paint my face.
But you want me to paint your face. Wait, how much of... Okay, I got the... yes.
Somebody has joined. It says the last part of their username says 575.
Welcome, 575 person. How you doing?
Welcome guys.
It looks like you kind of have a purple mustache. I love it. Now we're just going to do the regular purple, which should be the correct color for your face. We're going to basically start drawing your eye holes. Is that the right word for it? Eye holes? I'm not just going to be face painting Cy Guy. I'm also going to be painting Hallie.
Someone says hi.
Who?
It says Nadia Point Vasquez 7.
Vasquez?
Yes.
Vasquez? Hallie, you're so cute. Hello, Nadia. How you doing?
And
Hello.
more people join.
All the FNAF fans, people like comment who your favorite person is. You gotta paint the gums of your teeth. Is it gums if you're a robot?
Cloud Von Awesome 75 followed the host.
Thank you so much, Cloud.
Well, it doesn't say Cloud. It says like Claude.
Oh, Claude. I
Claude,
thought you said
yeah.
Cloud.
Thanks for
you,
following.
Claude. Yes, thank you so much. All right, I think that your purple is good to go.
You can see the
It's-
evens on the eyes.
I know this one's really short. That's all gonna be black, so I'm gonna bring the black down more over here.
Okay.
Claude Von I said, hi, can you cross your eyes / hidden talents?
Oh, other hidden talents.
I
Let's
can't see.
Did I cross my eyes? I don't even know. Hallie, did I cross my eyes?
Can you guys move your ears?
Oh, nice, Cy.
It's pretty
Dude,
cool.
we
I
got
have
secret powers.
Double jointed elbows.
JJ loves you. Says it's midnight here. LOL.
Oh, it's
Indiana.
10 here.
What's midnight
Maybe
here?
Chicago? Somewhere not in the West Coast.
Yeah.
First.
Supergirl 24 Angie says, I love your My Little Pony videos at Scootaloo.
Scootaloo is actually reading the comments right now.
Yes, that is me.
And thank you so much. I'm so glad that you like them.
She also said Apple Bloom and Sweetie Belle and Spike.
Oh yeah, Hallie rocked those. That's like a Jack Skellington smile up in there. I
More
dig it.
People joined. Fire 83010 says hi.
Hello, Fire! Look at Cy's nose. That is so fun.
You look like a fun person.
Very fun person.
He is a fun. Oh, your teeth.
JJ loves you.
You have black all over your teeth right now.
JJ loves you says, looking awesome, man.
He is looking awesome.
Jennifer says hi.
Hello,
And then
Jennifer.
JJ Loves You says, you are one who inspired me to learn ASL. You cool.
Thank you, JJ. I'm so glad I inspired you to learn sign language. That's awesome.
JJ.
So you're going to want to leave that eye closed for a while. I just messed up a little bit, but it's okay. I almost fixed it.
Fire says, you cool.
You guys cool.
And then Nadia says, could you do a princess
Oh, Princess, could you do a Princess Luna cosplay?
Oh,
You know, I've actually gotten a lot of requests to do Luna and Celestia, which I don't have their wigs, but because I've gotten so many requests for it, I will try and fit it in, but I won't be able to this year because I've already planned out all of my videos for the rest of the year because of college, but I will definitely try to do it next year. I'm gonna have to put more white on your lip. That looks better. And Bonnie does not have eyebrows, so I think that is it for Sci Guy. Oh, I'm gonna need his wig.
I open my eyes.
When they feel dry. You can, like, I'm trying to do the motion so he can see it. He can't see me. You can wave your hands in front of your eyes so that they can dry, like like that.
I'm so pretty.
Oh, I saw some emojis. I think they were hearts. Thank you, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so jelly of Silas's ability to just put wigs on, because I've got this whole, like, ponytail and wig cap deal, and whenever I've put wigs on Silas while they've been here so far, it's so ridiculously easy.
Fire has a love heart emoji.
Oh, thank you, Fire.
Withered Bonnie says hi.
Hello, Withered Bonnie. Oh my gosh, we have a Bonnie.
Withered Bonnie also says hi, Chica and Bonnie.
Hey, we will have to pin the hair business. This hair is so great. Look at that. Oh my gosh,
Oh
it's
my
so
god.
great.
JJ Loves You says, I can sing in Japanese and Broadway songs.
What? That's so cool.
That's awesome.
Sparkle Bell says, you're so good at makeup, sorry.
Oh, thank you.
Withered Bonnie says, Benji poster behind you.
Right?
He's grabbing my ears.
I made this poster for Hallie on her birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that animatronic like button.
Oh yeah.
And subscribe for more videos
Subscribe.
like you do. And I
Yeah.
will see you guys next time.
Bye.